Okay, welcome back. So we were halfway through writing our analysis of Bitter to the Burnt Mouth from What Were They Like? And I'd started having a look at how I could talk about the word bitter and what it made me think. So you could hear that I was struggling to phrase it, and I had to really think about how I wanted to phrase it there. So I'm going to read it back and just check that it makes sense to me, and see if I want to change it. And this is really good practice because that's part of English, being able to look back at what you've written and make changes if you need to. So, because the adjective bitter connotes something that doesn't taste nice, which is right, something's bitter, this could infer two things. Right, I need a colon there, creating a list. The fire and smoke-like atmosphere of the war, okay, and also the uncomfortable and, I don't like not nice topic to talk about, and let's get rid of that. And violent topic to talk about the murder of a whole country. Okay, I might want to rephrase that. So I like it up to there, the fire and smoke-like atmosphere of the war, and also the uncomfortable and violent topic to talk about. Yeah, I don't think I need that bit there. Okay. Right, so remember I said I want to create a bit of balance. I've talked about words, but I've not done anything about structure, so I definitely want to do something there. And there's a really obvious one to talk about, which is the alliteration. It forces us to look at those two words there. And that B sound really forces us to look at those words and focus on the pain. So I'm definitely going to need to highlight that. So I'm going to use one of my in addition also to add more information. The poet uses alliteration of the B sound to focus on these two painful words. I need to give a reason. I think it's not good enough to just finish there. So this is where I can link to intention. So because, I've said because before, so a better word than because is as, so I don't have to keep saying it. In addition, the poet uses alliteration of the B sound to focus on these two painful words, as she wants to, I'm thinking about intention here, I'm almost doing intention a bit earlier, maybe I'll get more marks for doing more than one. She wants to reveal her disgust maybe at the war and show she was against it. Because I think that bitter and burn, it focuses on the pain and how horrendous it was. So I think I get the definite impression there that she's disgusted at what happened to the Vietnamese. Okay, so I'm on my last sentence. And here for my level 6, I've got my starter sentence up here. I've already got that way of helping. Therefore, the poet intentionally uses, and notice how it's red. So it's red because I want to create this circular effect where I'm going back to my point. And remember here, it would be where you use the word from the question. So again, it's good to start and end your paragraph with that just to show the examiner you understand it. The poet intentionally focuses on the pain and destruction caused by the war, and then we're saying to draw attention to how unnecessary it was. Maybe to draw attention, I want tone, to draw attention to the loss and sadness created from this war. So I wanted tone in there. Okay, so have a look, see how you did there, see how many of your inference words you used. Okay, I hope that was useful, and I will have a go at showing another video for level 7 to 9. Well done.